Right now we are in Laplace, and the water levels, you can tell, are still very high, but nothing compared to what they were earlier. People that we talked to who live here said they were several feet higher than where they are right now. This entire neighborhood really got some of the worst flooding that we saw from Hurricane Ida. Right now we're making a trip through the neighborhood with the Louisiana Department of Wildlife and Fisheries Enforcement. They're kind of going through, trying to pick up people. What they've told us so far is that a lot of people, if they were able to make it through the nights, have decided to just stay in their homes. We talked to some people who got dropped off up in the street where the water levels are lower. They have, a handful of suitcases with them at the time. Those people said they had to move to their attics to try to avoid the water. I'm talking about water several feet deep inside their homes. Some people with elderly family members had to carry them upstairs last night to avoid these floodwaters. It was a scary night, and on top of that, there has been little cell phone communications, both last night and again this morning. Some families were able to communicate with family members, let them know they were okay. But these floodwaters that really came over from the lake have just totally destroyed the neighborhood. You can tell not only through the wind damage of this storm, but the flooding has really been significant. We've seen several people carried out on boats while we've been here, several cars that have just been flooded out. The further we go this direction towards the lake, the deeper the waters are getting. And again, this has actually receded quite a bit from what we saw earlier. Continuing to continue to get updates from different people who are being evacuated. You can see a man there with his dog being carried out on a boat. Whether it's fire rescue crews or state officials, the rescue efforts are still underway here in Laplace and probably will be for a long time. And then it'll be much longer until rebuilding can begin.